Hey there, I'm Wayne, the person behind Sawdust Smarty, and I'm thrilled you're here to share in my woodworking journey. Since I was a young boy, woodworking has been more than just a hobby for me, it's been a passion. Over the years, the smell of sawdust and the feel of a piece of wood have become familiar comforts, marking countless hours of crafting. Sawdust Smarty started from this deeply rooted passion. I wanted to create a space where I could share the joys and skills I've gained over time to others, just starting or looking to refine their artistry. It's about making woodworking accessible and enjoyable for anyone willing to give it a try. My mission is simple: to help you discover the beauty and satisfaction that comes from creating with your own two hands. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced hobbyist, Sawdust Smarty is a hub for ideas, support, and enthusiasm in the woodworking world. This is more than a site, it's a community where we can all grow and learn together. The road less traveled. My journey from truck driver to skilled woodworker. For most of my life, I made my living as a truck driver. 45 years on the road gave me experiences and stories most wouldn't believe. Those highways took me across the country, offering a changing landscape that inspired my imagination and deepened my love for creating. Truck driving was full of challenges, and while it provided for my family, my heart always stayed with woodworking. Every chance I got, I retreated to my workshop, a sanctuary where I could channel the day's exhaustion into crafting beautiful, tangible pieces. Balancing life on the road with my woodworking passion wasn't always easy, but it taught me patience and persistence. After a long haul, returning to my shop recharged my spirit. There's tranquility in shaping wood, in seeing raw material transform under my hands. As I edge closer to retirement, my dream is to be in the workshop even more. The transition from driving to full-time woodworking is one I look forward to, as it promises to be a new chapter filled with creativity and passion. This journey has not just been about creating physical art, but about sharing it and watching others find their love for this craft. In the next section, I'll dive into why passing on this joy and craftsmanship through woodworking plans and tutorials is so important to me. Beyond wood and tools, my passion for creating and sharing woodworking isn't just about saws, chisels, and sanding blocks. It's about leaving a legacy through creativity. Deep down, I cherish the magic that each project embodies, a tangible story that can be passed down through generations. To me, every piece crafted is a chance to create something that lives beyond the moment, carrying memories and love forward. Crafting comprehensive woodworking plans and tutorials has become a vital part of my routine. I think of it as my way of opening doors for others to step into the world of woodworking with confidence and excitement. Whether you're just getting started or looking to hone your skills, I aim to provide guidance that demystifies the process, ensuring anyone can enjoy the craft. I appreciate the camaraderie and shared learning that take place within the woodworking community. Educating and inspiring others is my way of giving back, instilling the same passion and joy I've experienced over the years. Through Sawdust Smarty, I hope to ignite a spark in everyone who visits, encouraging them to embrace the joy of creating with their own hands. Cheers, Wayne, founder of SawdustSmarty.com.